Are you ready to see a fountain pen that's as sweet as honey? Meet the Benu Euphoria Honey Pals fountain pen. This fountain pen is packaged in the standard white Benu packaging and box with an ink converter and one standard international ink cartridge included. The Benu Euphoria Honey Pals fountain pen features a gorgeous turquoise blue and green resin body, and it also has the famous hand-painted yellow bear, Winnie the Pooh, and Piglet painted on the body of the pen. These characters are featured on the pen as they first appeared in Milne's original Winnie the Pooh book in 1926. This pen also features a stainless steel number 6 nib, and that is available in various nib sizes. And then also to match that stainless steel nib is the silver clip. And this is a cartridge converter fountain pen. There's a converter already inside the body of the pen, and then there's a cartridge included in the pen box that you can use to switch out for that converter if you'd prefer to use that. Make sure you check out the Honey Pals fountain pen now at penchalet.com.